And the other thing that it's very important for us is you need to do a Pareto principle or follow the Pareto principle, where you actually want to first take the biggest priorities first.
Absolutely,
That will contain the 80% of the whole project.
Yes.
Right? And say, this is the most important thing that you will need for D365 in order to work. Right? So before you actually can run any processes, these are going to be the fields that need to come over.
Yes.
Then the second part, or the second wave that you have to do afterwards, is what are the business requirements that you need for the go live, right?
Yes, of course.
So it's like, first you make sure that the system can work end to end, and then second, you put all your parameters and you put all the information that you require for you as a business that give you value to make sure that you have what you need.